mango good too.
Okay.
Eat there. But only thing with my mango, me go cut off because spots. Nothing wrong with that.
No, nothing wrong with your mango. Your mango is puri.
Yeah, one year boy. Why keep on saying my mango a boy?
Your mango is
No, my mango no boy.
what? Mango puri.
1 year boy.
Puri. Is it sweet?
Yeah, it's sweet.
What is the name of what's the name of your mango?
East Indian.
Or East Indian? This mango called dudus. Dudus.
Dodos. Yeah.
No, I mean which means sweet.
My mango sweeter than your mango.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
No, my mango natural mango.
See there, look here, look here.
Nah. Oh shit, look at that. Oh, look at that.
Look power.
Mango.
You better you shake them off by tree because you can't wait till they're ripe.
Mango. Wow, you in Jamaica, right?
Yeah.
What part?
I'm from St. Anne.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'm in Haiti.
You know what, 80?
Haiti, yes.
How
The
you manage
Haitian.
over there, sir?
I'm a Haitian man.
Oh.
Yeah.
How is it over there?
Crazy.
When they wanna fix back a place when the hurricane the earthquake passed through? Wanna fix a
No.
back a place?
We got something worse right now. It's not good.
What's that? What is that? What is that?
Guacale.
Guacale. What is guacale?
Guacale.
Hi. What do you use that to do? Oh, what a chocolate? Or me not understand. What you use guacale to do? Oh, for boil tea. Jackfruit seed. Yeah, look like a jackfruit seed. Guys, beg some money double now, please.
Rastafari.
Rastafari, just last year. One of the
Selassie, man.
jackfruit seed, a part jackfruit seed, sir.
Rastafari.
Thank you, baby.
You know Lassie.
Now ask if a part jackfruit seed. Thank you, baby. Where you gonna do with them banana them? Look at them, they never fit good.
Fry them. I'ma fry them.
But them don't fit yet. Why you gonna pick them off of the tree?
No, we're gonna fry them, we're gonna boil them, we're gonna eat them.
But it not fit yet.
Me no understand you.
Oh, that's why you can't understand.
Yeah. Me English not good.
Oh. Say, you ever try for company boat come to Jamaica?
Me a Haitian close to Jamaica. I'm like a Usain Ball.
You know Haitian, they love a boat ride, you know.
We Haitian, we hard workers.
I know you guys are hard workers. Come on, I know that. You ever come to Jamaica?
Me scared.
What you scared of? What you
don't
scared
know.
of? No, but what you scared of the green mango? Where you this bite? Look that you scared of. Nobody not go to trouble down here. Jamaica is a nice place.
Jamaica is a nice place.
Yeah.
Oh, I want. Okay, I want to visit then.
Just come on the boat.
Me never.
Boat ride.
Me never come to Jamaica before.
Oh, but me just
Me
as
want
Sophia said,
me
just
want
come
to
on the
vi-
boat ride.
me want to visit Jamaica.
Okay.
Me
When?
love Jamaica. Me love Jamaican man.
Mm.
Jamaican gal are the best.
I know if you call a girl, we boxing him out.
My youth. What is my youth?
My youth, just like you're my bro. You know, you as a man, my youth, what go on? I'm
Where
ill
I
up.
go?
It's a ill.
Oh,
When you're ill in a person.
oh, my youth. Okay.
Yeah, but if you come at Jamaica and can call me about girl, you get a vaccine.
Oh,
Girl, understand? Jesus Christ. Mercy,
somebody call you?
man. You can't get from... Yeah, yeah. Hold on.
No woman will cry. No woman will cry. No.
Mm-hmm. The mango they cry though. The mango where you this eat this cry go, me know the mango they cry. Guys, me no business if nobody wants to say they no rotten. It's not a rotten mango. And they sweet. I mean I eat them. And you think your mango expensive, you know? Sir, please go on now. Mango they expensive. Them mango dear all $1,000 for them, me not dash away. You want to buy something for catch my phone, yeah? I got some mango. I'm make sure say me sit down flat on ground, say mango go right place. And if you sit down and skin out and eat a mango, it go right up in your booty. Hey, you want to help that lady here? Please, not beg on. Hi, baby, what's up?
Assalamualaikum.
Hi. How are you?
كيفك
Long
كيفك
time no see, long time no see.
ما شاء الله ما شاء الله
Mashallah,
كيفك
ma. Mashallah,
كيفك
ma. Mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. Guys, I want to help that lady here, please. Help that lady here. That lady, I want nice lady.
تكبيس تكبيس يا شباب تكبيس 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 ارحب ارحب ابني ارحب حياك الله هلا هلا بنتي هلا منورة 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 ما شاء الله ما شاء الله تكبيس 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 شكرا 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 ما شاء الله ما شاء الله
Guys, I don't care help her now. One nice lady, you know. Yes.
كل سنة وانتم
Help the
سالمين كل
lady.
سنة
You know, nice, nice. Somebody help her. Somebody help her. Somebody help her. All right. Nah.
شكرا
All right. I'm still not because I help her, you go take on me nuggets. Not because you help her, you go take on me nuggets. Hey, what kind of style that? Guys, save the nuggets, save the nuggets, save the nuggets. Save the nuggets, save the nuggets.
يلا تربلة تربلة
Mm-mm.
تربلة تربلة
No anti-worm. No anti-worm
يا
feel like she could have gone in the mango. Guys, everybody, guys, thank you, baby. Double tap. No anti-worm
جاي
drop her body straight. Oh,
جاي
Jesus.
جايزة الدبل جايزة
Nobody
الدبل
want to pine. My mind change.
يا
Ooh. I just say grandmother say if you eat mango at night. I eat mango
تربلة
when lights
تربلة يا
lock off. You
شباب
won't know
تربلة
nothing,
يا
my love.
شباب
No, sir.
تربلة تربلة تربلة
I know it
تربلة
also. Oh, something say, oh, Jesus. I wish me never see it. Guys, we have a triple. We have a triple chat. We have a triple.
Yeah,
I said, go, it did nice, do it nice. Why little? I say that's why it's so sweet because I have 2 worm in it. Girl, it's sweet, but I don't know. When we say sweet, boilish, thank you. No, me I tell you the truth, it's sweet, but must it got 2 worm cock up in it, my love. Me I tell you say it's sweet. And until you go down in the worm part, that's so now you have to vacate the premises. Guys, triple chat, triple. Chat, use a triple, use a triple, use a triple, use a triple, use a triple chat. Thank you, baby.
Shabab, thank you.
Thank you. Guys, use a triple. Come on, chat. Use a triple. Use a triple, guys. Thank you, baby.
Thank you, baby. Mashallah,
Come on, chat. Come on, chat. Guys, we're there with her too, you know. You know, remember what we say? We are trying to help out each other. All right? So, me know not help me. I have a look at nuggets. I don't want to lose it, but I still a beg on if we can go over this. So, gear suck, man, push up his score. Don't make it look bad. All right? So, my time is just good for support each other. Right? And it's all about woman power. Right? Thank you, baby. And coming together, we are strong. I believe in that. Right? You guys motivate me no matter how much we cuss and grumble, but we motivate each other. So, please, me, I beg you. Go over there and do something for her. You're so sweet. Thank you, sweetheart. Guys, come on. Double tap. Me and may I get used to her now because we can practically understand certain things that she say and she understand me. Yeah, she say. All right. Guys, please may I ask if anybody can give her something, anything. Come on, guys. Come on, chat. Come on, please may I ask you. Please may I ask you, guys. I'm saying, what's up, baby? Thank you, guys. Thank you. And you are so good. So, me that's so close to you, and you are gonna make me live from down your son or see you? Kim, how much years me and you are friend? How much years me and you are friend? Tell me now. And you're gonna make me come so close. And me not get to see you. Don't play with it. Do not play with it. Come on, girl. Come on, girl.
Come on.
Call me.
Come on. Yeah.
All right, so we're going to do one more. So we play 3 together today. Okay, one more. Let's go, guys. Thank you. Big up my